Today's episode is brought to you by Western Rise, the go-to brand for travel clothing that's both stylish and functional. And you guys know from past episodes, I'm a fan of this brand. I've talked about them quite a few times in the past. And I really enjoy how their stuff can pretty much take whatever I can throw at it. Working in the yard, chasing the kids around, traveling. These guys can really keep up. And they're comfortable. And that's a big one for me. You guys know I'm big on comfort. It's got to be comfortable and functional. Right now, Western Rise is celebrating their anniversary with a huge sale on select styles and discounts up to 40% off. And this is only going on for a few days too, so you really don't want to miss this chance to check out their stuff and save a bunch of money doing it. The sale is going on right now. Link is right down there in the description of today's episode. So it's right down there. Go find it. Check out some of their awesome stuff. Now though, on to today's episode. So today I have for you another hairdryer review. This has been really fun for me lately to make these types of videos because hairdryers are one of those areas where I think brands overcharge and overpromise. They hype stuff up, charge hundreds of dollars, and make it seem like you can't get a good dryer for a good price. You know, you have to pay their high prices in order to get a good dryer, and I definitely don't agree with that. And lately I've been having some really good luck finding options for people who either just don't want to pay a ton of money or, you know, like me, they can't. And so I've been doing quite a bit of research lately and making some of these videos that you guys have seen. I've been finding some really good options, and I've got a prime example of this today. Allow me to introduce you to the Ionic Blowdryer from Kauoo. Is it Kauoo? Like moo cow? Kauoo? K-A-U-O-O. How do you, I don't know how to say it. Kauoo. Yeah. Let's look at their blow dryer. Now, this blow dryer has a lot of features that might make you think it costs a lot, but actually it comes in below $100. For starters, it features a brushless 110,000 RPM motor for fast drying, and it's made to be low noise, which is something personally I think is really nice. We've also got advanced Ionic technology that can tighten the cuticles of your hair and reduce frizz through their ion generator that releases 200 million negative ions. I mean, we're talking Dr. Evil level millions of ions here. On top of that, we've got intelligent thermocontrol, which is an advanced intelligent system that helps prevent hair damage through the use of a chip built into the hairdryer that monitors the air temperature 100 times per second and makes instant adjustments to prevent overheating. It's also quite portable. I think it doesn't fold or anything like that, but I'm not sure it really needs to. It's not a very large unit, and it only weighs about 12 ounces too, so it's not, you know, it's not really something hefty to travel with. It's got a nice small footprint. You can easily throw it in a bag and travel with it. One thing I want to mention too is the cord. It has a pretty decent cord as far as length goes. It's about 2 meters, which is not bad. I think it works for most people to have a cord of this length. Any shorter than this, and I'd say it's probably going to be an issue, but I think this is a decent length as far as the cord goes. It also comes with a magnetic nozzle. These are very handy. I actually use one on my personal blow dryer. Every time I dry my hair, I use a nozzle like this. So it's great for directing your hair, getting volume. I mean, really, when it comes to getting those awesome hairstyles, I think these are definitely essential. As far as using this goes, though, we've got 4 temps and 2 speeds. Like I said, it's also got that adjustment smart chip going on in there too. So you've got that going for you as you go through the modes, but it does have a couple of different modes. You know, as far as like you going from low to high heat, you can shift through that as you want to, and it's very easy to do. All you do is hit the temperature button. It's got a little thermometer on it. All you do is hit that. After you turn it on, of course, you hit that and it goes from blue all the way up to red for high heat, which is what I'll be using here because I'm testing this the way that I use my normal blow dryer so that I can give this a fair test. I mean, I'm very familiar with what I should see in the end result so that I can compare that to what I see with this. And while I'm doing this, I'm also timing it to see how fast my hair gets dry from this unit. When I go through that entire process and when I finish drying, here is the end result. We can see it looks pretty normal, actually. There's nothing really standing out to me as out of the ordinary. I think it looks pretty good. There's volume. It looks healthy. Doesn't look dried out. I mean, to me, everything looks as it should. As far as time goes, it dried my hair fully in about 1 minute and 45 seconds, which I think is okay. I think it's not the best time, but it's decent. That though is pretty much everything that I need to see to give an opinion on this. And if I'm bringing everything together here, I'd have to say I think this is a solid unit for the price. It works really well. It does its job as a blow dryer, and I think it's got some really great features built into it. And I think it's easy to get a solid result with it. Remember, the point of this is not to find the best blow dryer ever. I'm not looking for the best one out there. I'm looking for one that's got great features at a great price, and it actually lives up to what it says it does. And after looking at this closely and using it a bunch of times, I'd have to say that's what we have here. This is a pretty good blow dryer. It's under $100 right now too, which I really like. It actually has a coupon attached to it right now. I just checked the link prior to filming this video. It's actually got a coupon attached to it too that makes it even less. So I'd say it's a pretty good deal for this blow dryer. I mean, if you need one and you don't care about brand names and you don't want to spend a couple $100, you might give this one some consideration. You can find it at the link in the description if that's something you want to do. If not, that's okay too. Just make sure you hit that subscribe button. That's really all I care about. I'm serious. Hit that button to see more content like this. And if you'd be so kind, hit that thumbs up too. That's a big help to me. That would be very awesome. I really appreciate that very much. That's all I got though for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this look at this blow dryer. I still can't say the brand name. Kauoo. Kauoo. I don't know why that's so tough for me, but I hope you guys enjoyed looking at this one. I think it's a pretty good unit. I hope everybody out there is doing well. I will be back with you again next week for some all new content. Take it easy. I'll see you next time.